Hello, my name is Carly Kulki. Finally, product. When you come to Ecuador, you need is fire it my paisa or voice. You could stay in the Hilton Colon Hotel Quito. Eh, you could see the desert of the Palmyra. You could hit a typical Carmen de Sierra. You should take it until around your Cocha and Lagos. You should take pictures in the volcanoes. You should visit Sangay National Park. You should ride a bike. You should always a turmeric umbrella. You should not the smoking volcanoes. You should not walk in her lonely night. Thank you.